This video is to demonstrate how to use Amazon Fire Stick on your car stereo. Now, the system that we are using is Blaupunkt BP530. Now, it has an AV input connection, but this does not support video. So this device does not have an option for you to input a video so that it would display that as an output. We have a monitor installed, so the idea is to connect the audio to the BP530 system and the video to this monitor so that the sound comes out of the speakers and the video directly connects here. So there are a few things that we need to achieve this. The first thing is you have to buy an HDMI to AV. We'll be providing you with the link where to buy this from in the description below. And what this basically does is you can connect your Fire Stick HDMI to this port, and then this will give you the AVI output that will help you connect to this stereo. Now, so the charger that we are using, so both your Fire Stick as well as this HDMI to AV will require power. So you'll need two USB ports which will power both these, and you have to have at least a branded some upmarket charger, because this would work with any USB charger, but the Fire Stick would require significant amount of power. So look for, if it doesn't work on your conventional charger, then look for a branded charger. We are using a TomTom charger. So you just plug it in. Now this HDMI to AV comes with a cable. Now this is for charging. You have a USB power port here, connected here. There is something called NTSC PL. I don't know what's the difference, but what I've noticed is when you connect it, if you put the settings to NTSC, the sound is a bit clearer. So we'll leave it at that, and to power it on, we will connect this to the port, one of the ports, and the other port will be used for your Fire Stick. Now this Amazon Fire Stick, as you would know, comes with your plug to connect to your socket on the wall. You remove that and it becomes your USB powered cable. Now connect that to your phone charger in the car. Now this one is the HDMI, which will go into your HDMI to AV port. Now this is where the output would come out. Now if you use the audio directly from this HDMI to AV, what we have noticed is after you cross the 50% mark on your volume, the sound becomes chirpy. There is a lot of noise, so it's not a pleasant experience. So we have found a hack for that. So you can buy this noise suppressor. It's called RCA to RCA noise suppressor. It will have male and female connections. This is only for the sound. That's why you have a white for your left speakers and red wire for your right speakers. What you'll do is you'll connect these male portions to your HDMI to AV device, and the female will go into your male additional cable. So this will help in noise reduction. And this is an RCA to AV converter, and we will provide you with a link for this cable as well in Amazon, and this goes into your AV input on your system. Now this monitor gets its video from this system, so the connections are in the back. There is one port that comes from this device, this system, and connects to the monitor. Now what we have done is we have removed this and taken out the connection from the stereo to the monitor, and then I have connected just the yellow portion of it, which is for video. There is only one connection that goes to the monitor, so I have connected this yellow RCA cable to the monitor's input, and from the glove box I have removed the other end of it, which goes into your HDMI to AV device. Now I think you can find just one cable for the video cable, but we didn't have time for it. We needed it urgently, so we are using this one. Probably we'll replace it in the future. Now all the connections are set. Now we have to test whether or not it's working. Now let's turn on the stereo and open the monitor. Let's turn on the monitor. So this is the standard message that you receive when you haven't used the remote for a while on your Amazon Fire Stick. So we'll click on OK. This is not, I'm pointing it to the monitor, but there is no benefit doing that. It's actually responding to this Amazon Fire Stick device. So it's better to point it to the device. So this is my account. So you can see the display comes up. What we have to test is whether or not the volume is working. So you can hear the volume. While it is loading, I'll tell you the benefit of using the noise reducer. So let's remove this and try to directly connect so you can already hear the noise. This is the noise I was talking about. You can still hear all the volume and all that, but a lot of disturbance. So when we remove this and attach our noise canceller or noise suppressor, better known as, and let's connect the volume once back. So you can see there is absolutely zero noise. Hopefully I'm connected to the internet. Let's see. So it's very clear, as if you are watching in TV. That's where the noise cancellation comes handy. So that's about it. We'll provide you with the links of all the parts that we have purchased to accomplish this. So anybody who is having this kind of system where they don't have a video input to their stereo system, but they have a monitor and they want to use Fire Stick, you can use this video as a reference to make these connections. That's all the links in the description. All best. Thanks.